Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is my birthday today. It is my birthday today, the 19th day of March. Guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do and put on the bell notification. These are my main ingredients for today. I love Efo Riro soup or stew so much and I decided to make it for my birthday. So now I've got this dried fish. I don't know what it's called, but in my language it is called a bewarie. And I've got bunga fish, at least everyone knows bunga fish. And also this fish, really I don't know what it's called. I've got my ever delicious iru dawa dawa. Then I've got my palm oil. I've got my salt for seasoning. I've got this tropical sun aroma Maggi. Then I've got these sweet peppers, atarodo, that's scotch bonnets, my nut cubes, of course, always there. Then I've got ugu leaves. I'm using ugu leaves today. And these are all what I'm going to be using today to make my delicious and yummy Efo Riro. It is for my birthday dinner. With Efo Riro stew, the peppers shouldn't be as smooth as that of tomatoes soup. That's why you see now I've drained the excess water out of it. Okay, these are how much peppers I got after draining the water. So I've got dawa dawa here, scotch bonnet, and sweet peppers. I like how spacious this pan is. It can fit in all my soup ingredients. I always close my pan to avoid any oil spillage or excess smoke, filling my room or something. Okay, I'm going to let this pepper cook for about 5 to 7 minutes before I add in all my seasonings like the Maggi, salt, and crayfish. I'm adding in my meat stock and boiled meat. This is about the cow's small intestine. I'm gonna be adding my vegetable leaves now. I have ugu leaves and shoko leaves together. I know some people call this shoko leaves or efo leaves. I'm not sure what it is, but I know it's as shoko. And in my language, we also call it a bafo. I know some people leave these vegetables to simmer by itself. I mean dissolve inside the pepper by itself. But I'm gonna try and dissolve mine. I love how colorful it is. Wow. I'm happy to have Efo Riro soup with rice or eba for my birthday dinner. It's just that I love the soup so much. I don't just cook it all the time. I don't know why. I love any soup that has so much vegetable in it. Remember my dry fish? Yeah, I'm just gonna add them now. I know they are gonna give this soup so much taste. Like the aroma, I know it's gonna be out of this world. I can't wait to taste. So I'm gonna try not to stir too much so I don't break all the fishes inside. Here we are, my Efo Riro soup is ready and I'm having it with rice. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.